He's got one more. This is a bit short.
Escocio inside. And Davao Occidental re-establishing a 13-point lead.
And 100 points scored by a team that allows only roughly almost 70. There's with another couple of points there on that leak out. And this is, like what you said earlier at the top of the coverage, a different Davao Tigers team.
Man, Kristen Chavez, you could sense.
They're doing this as a totally team effort. Another three right here, this time by Peña Redondo. But you can't afford to just be exchanging threes. You gotta get a stop. Pero ang lawak rin kasi ng spacing eh.
Turnover. Waray Gimpayan gets the basket, lead down to 10. Matapos ito. But this is not a done deal.
But there's still a good number that's waiting to see what else.
Oh, that's Danica Soto. Pingris. So malaksak si Escobedo. Steal by Binyan. Layup good for Joseph Peña Redondo.
This is a little 4-0 run here.
Actually 7-0
7-0 run na, that's right.
100, only 2 points, but 10 rebounds and 12 assists. Raymond Green-like numbers from Harold. Raimundo drills in a three-pointer, lead down to 6. Arboleda. Bounce pass, Escobedo. Step on the baseline. Bola babalik sa Binyan. 14 on their shot clock. Jeff Comia. 8 seconds remaining. Skip pass. De Chavez got blocked. Arboleda, another block. Maestre. Foul given up. The stripe.
There you go.
And ice from the free throw line. But Pambo Raimundo has hit his last 4 free throws. Pasok din ang pangalawa. Having trouble inbounding it. Oh! Binyan with a chance! Maestre got fouled! Pandemonium here in Binyan.
Boy, these turnovers.
Ooh, it pops out. Good on the second. Your seatbelts. Here we go. Escobedo. Facing a double team. Release pass to Salubre. Inside. No good. Gimpayan a rebound. And we are going into overtime.
Wow.
Will not work. Those are tired legs from both squads. Peña Redondo, though, able to will that one in. Itong Binyan. Jeff Comia off that alley-oop pass.
Post-split actions.
Davao Occidental dodging a bullet. Salubre, great bounce pass from Jeff Comia for the layup.
What a pass.
In Calasiao. Comia banks it in, asking for a foul. So, Comia, 3-on-2 opportunity. Comia missing. Escocio for the stick back.
Tigers now up 1.
Gimpayan inside. Kick out pass. Sobino. This could be big! Renzo Sobino. At the post they go. Wow, Escocio just powering through. Tying this ball game up at 113 apiece. Jeff Comia. It's Peña Redondo. Gets past the half-court line. Susugod. Comia, hang time move. There's still a 4-second differential.
Davao right now, it makes the second.
Inside, the pass to Waray Gimpayan. Forcing it up, the putback, wala pa din. Tapik na punta kay Pamboy. 10 seconds remaining. For free, Peña Redondo. It pops out. Maestre. Oh, the steal. Comia. He will escape. And a foul will be called on Binyan. Comia. Pasok ang una.
What a turn of events. It almost cost you this match.